Viral wealth. Unlocking your financial potential. YouTube script, intro music with upbeat and intriguing tone, visual. Montage of inspiring visuals, stock market charts trending upwards, people achieving goals, families enjoying time together, travel scenes, etc. Host, enthusiastically, hey everyone, and welcome to Viral Wealth. I'm your host, your name, and today we're talking about something that's on everyone's mind, achieving financial freedom. We're not just talking about getting by. We're talking about building real wealth, the kind that gives you choices, the kind that lets you live life on your terms. Visual. Title card. Viral wealth. Unlocking your financial potential. Host. Now, I know the word viral can sometimes sound a bit gimmicky, but in this context, it's about creating a financial strategy that spreads and grows exponentially. It's about building a system that works for you, not the other way around. Visual. Transition to a more conversational setting, perhaps the host sitting in a comfortable chair. Host. Look, let's be real. Nobody gets rich overnight, unless you win the lottery, and let's face it, those odds aren't exactly in our favor. Building wealth takes time, effort, and a solid plan. But the good news is, it's absolutely achievable. And that's what we're going to explore together on this channel. Visual. Section 1. The mindset of wealth. Host. First things first, let's talk about mindset. This is crucial. Your mindset is the foundation upon which your financial success is built. If you don't believe you can achieve financial freedom, you're going to struggle. Visual. Graphics with positive affirmations and motivational quotes. Host. Cultivate a growth mindset. Embrace challenges, learn from your mistakes, and never stop learning. Believe in your ability to create wealth. Shift your focus from scarcity to abundance. Instead of thinking about what you lack, focus on the opportunities that are available to you. Visual. Section 2. Financial fundamentals. Host. Now, let's get down to the basics. You need to have a solid understanding of personal finance fundamentals. Visual. Animated graphics illustrating budgeting, saving, and debt management. Host. Budgeting. It's not about restriction, it's about empowerment. Knowing where your money is going is the first step to controlling it. Track your expenses, identify areas where you can cut back, and create a budget that aligns with your financial goals. Host. Saving. Pay yourself first. Automate your savings so you're consistently putting money away, even if it's just a small amount. Consistency is key here. Host. Debt management. High-interest debt is a wealth killer. Develop a plan to pay down your debt as quickly as possible. Prioritize high-interest debt and explore options like debt consolidation. Visual. Section 3. Investing for the future. Host. Now, the exciting part, investing. This is how you make your money work for you. Visual. Graphics showcasing different investment options, stocks, bonds, real estate, etc. Host. Diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different asset classes to manage risk. Host. Stocks. Investing in stocks can be a great way to grow your wealth over the long term. Do your research or consider investing in index funds or ETFs. Host. Bonds. Bonds are generally less risky than stocks and can provide stability to your portfolio. Host. Real estate. Real estate can be a valuable asset, offering rental income, appreciation, and tax benefits. Visual. Section 4. Building multiple income streams. Host. One of the most effective ways to accelerate your wealth-building journey is to create multiple income streams. Visual. Graphics illustrating various income streams, side hustles, online businesses, freelancing, etc. Host. Side hustles. Turn your hobbies or skills into a side hustle. There are countless opportunities to earn extra income in today's gig economy. Host. Online businesses. Start an online business. Whether it's e-commerce, blogging, or affiliate marketing, the internet offers a world of possibilities. Host. Freelancing. Offer your skills as a freelancer. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect freelancers with clients looking for specific skills. Visual. Section 5. Continuous learning and adaptation, host. The world of finance is constantly evolving. It's crucial to stay informed and adapt to changing market conditions. Visual. Images of books, online courses, and financial news websites, host. Continuously learn about investing, personal finance, and entrepreneurship. Read books, listen to podcasts, attend seminars, and follow reputable financial websites and YouTubers. Visual. Call to action, host. So, there you have it, a roadmap to building viral wealth. Remember, it's a journey, not a destination. Be patient, stay disciplined, and never give up on your dreams. Visual. End screen with social media handles and website address, host. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more valuable content, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on our future uploads. And let us know in the comments below what your biggest financial challenge is. We'd love to hear from you. Outro music with upbeat and positive tone.